My hair is absolutely not hairing today. I don't know why.
Hello, my YouTube fam, and welcome back to my channel. In today's vlog, I'll be showing you all what I got from Karol Bagh. So stay tuned.
I'm going to show you all the things that I got from there. And the first thing is this cute little cup. So I really loved it. I love such crockery a lot because I've always seen this in heritage hotels and I felt like this is something I really want. तो वो हमें एक या दो नहीं दे रहे थे. They were like कि पूरा set लेना पड़ेगा आपको, which is of 6 pieces. एंड मेरा उतना रिक्वायरमेंट था नहीं टू बी ऑनेस्ट कि मैं 6 पीसेस लूँ बिकॉज हमारे घर पे बहुत कम गेस्ट्स आते हैं और हम लोग यूजुअली कप्स जो रखते हैं इट्स आइदर for me individually or for Ankit individually. So, but then they said कि 6 लेना ही पड़ेगा. There is no other option and we fell into it. We got 6 of these for only 150 rupees. Now I'm going to show you something else that we got and again ये भी बहुत cheap price पे मिला हमें. हम लोग बिल्कुल we were shocked. हम लोग like you know how you leave 2 babies in a play area, we were feeling like that. We were those 2 babies. And second thing we got is this bowl. This is how it looks. And this we got for 50 each. We got 2 of these for eating Maggie or any kind of snack that we love. This is our personal bowl. So we usually love binge eating. We do it a lot during night, especially while watching some series or anything. तो हम इसमें खाने वाले हैं. These are 2 and we're gonna have it in this. Next thing is this cute little mug with a sunflower. Can you see it? So I really wanted this mug. This mug is actually बहुत common है ये. पूरे दिल्ली में आपको कहीं भी मिलेगा बट हमेशा इसका बड़ा साइज मिलता है और मुझे बड़ा साइज बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद. I'll show you one more cup that I have. Wait. So I have this mug which I got from, I guess, Janpat Sarojini or Banjara Market. I'm not pretty sure. But this is black with a sunflower. This is the detailing. And this is a mini size of this black one. Usually white color मिलना बहुत आसान होता है. जो कि मैंने आपको मिनी वाला दिखाया वो बहुत इजीली कहीं भी मिल जाएगा. एंड आई थिंक अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल हैव बॉट इट आल्सो. इट्स वेरी चीप. तो सब लोग खरीद भी लेते हैं. दिस ब्लैक इज अ रेयर फाइंड. ये यूजुअली जल्दी नहीं मिलता है. दिस ऑल्सो probably I got it for $100 or 120 at max is what I remember. It could be lesser than that also. So yeah, this particular mug I got for $50. Now on to the next 2 more cups. So these are the other 2 cups that we again got for 50 each. They're not even washed yet and these are square shaped. So we thought कि ये कुछ different है and we kind of got it. It's not something very unique or something that I would love, but this is what Ankit chose and I'm happy with it. Not complaining. It has a bit of detailing, vertical and horizontal lines on it, and it is square in shape. So we still haven't used it because it's still unwashed.
Hope you liked this video and enjoyed it too. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.